The attachment point connector tool found on the Tools ribbon bar has been enhanced for IronCAD 2023 Product Update 1. Previously, when you run the tool, it will select the component that you have an attachment located on and move it. For example, we have an assembly of this orange part and this green part, and they have attachment points at different levels. For example, at the assembly level, we have one on the green part. At the part level, on the orange part, we have one as well. So if we select the orange part and we move it to the other location, notice it only moves that particular part, even though this orange part is existing inside this assembly. That might be desired in some cases, but in other cases you want the whole entire group to move. The new behavior allows you to pre-select the object that you want to move originally together. For example, we can select this assembly, or we can select multiple parts, whether it's within that assembly or outside of it. Notice this linkage is on the outside. We can also select that as well with both of these. And now when we run the attachment point connector tool, using the same attachment point at the part level below, we can now move it to the new location and all the objects move together, which is a very powerful tool to allow you to move groups of components even though there's no constraints in between any of these components. In addition, our attachment points have other behaviors like constraints. For example, if we select that entire set again and run the attachment point tool, we have the attachment level point on the assembly level that when it connects to this linkage, it actually builds a constraint. So now if I still use the tool to move our orange part, even though I had previously selected this, now all those objects and the linkage will move together using the mechanism mode. So it's a very powerful tool to allow you to move groups of components and build relationships at the same time using the attachment point connector tool.